Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to fix MP6 stub high CPU usage in your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. We will guide you through the resolutions. The issue is usually caused by a virus or a malware, so to check the case, first of all check if the Windows update is in progress. Right click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, and if it is written check for updates, everything is good. If it says install now, downloading or anything else, then an update is in progress. Now once you have sorted out this case whether or not the update is in progress, after that the only cause for the high CPU usage could be a virus or malware. So you would need to check the file location. For this, search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and click on this option to open the Task Manager application. Now go to the Details tab, which is the second last tab, and scroll down to the process. It would be in the category for M. I do not have the process open right now because Windows updates are not downloading. Right click on it and select Open File Location. If it is in the System32 window, well and good. If not, then it could be a virus. The third solution is obviously to run a anti-malware or an antivirus scan using a reputed third-party antivirus program. And lastly, you can replace the legit file using an SFC scan. Search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. This will open the elevated command prompt window. In the elevated command prompt window, type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.